Hello student, this is a video of Maths 1. Lesson number 2 is going on, that is quadratic equation, and this is a video number 7 of the quadratic equation. Here in this video we will see the third method of solving quadratic equation. We started the new point of this lesson, that is methods of solving the quadratic equation. First two methods I explain you, that is factorization method and completing square method. And today we will see third method of solving quadratic equation, that is the name of the method is formula method. Formula method means here we have formula. We have to just use the formula, put the prices in the formula, solve it, you will get the roots of the quadratic equation. It is a simple method. Now I will give you the formula. How the formulas are formed, that I will explain you when the school will reopen, because that is not the part of syllabus. You should know which are the formula. But how the formulas are formed, the explanation is given in the textbook. You can read and understand. Formulas are important for us to solve the quadratic equation. So directly I will give you here formulae. See now, you know that till now maybe you understood every equation have two roots. So those two roots here we will consider. The first root is alpha and second root is beta. So just I am writing here the roots of the equations. Two roots of the equations are alpha and beta. These are the Greek terms, you know about it. And to find out the alpha, we have one formula. To find out beta, we have another formula. And common formula is there. All these three formulae I will show you here. So first we'll see the formula which we use to find out the root. Suppose alpha. The formula is alpha is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a formula we use to find out one root of quadratic equation, that is alpha. Then for beta the formula is same, only this plus sign is changing into minus. So that I am writing here beta is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a formula we use to find out the second root of the quadratic equation, which is denoted by beta. So these two separate formulae we can use. Put the prices and solve it. You will get the first root, that is alpha, and second root, that is beta. If you don't want to use these two formulas separately, then also we have a common formula. So that common formula also I will write it here. Formula is same. So see now, the roots or the variable are shown by x. So here it is said x is equal to minus b plus minus. two roots are there. One is with the plus and one is with the minus. So plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon or divided by 2a. You can also say upon 2a. So by using this common formula, you will get two roots. One is with the plus and one is with the minus. Or you can use the separate formulae and you will get the first root and the second root. Here B, A, C, these are the coefficient of the which are there in the equation. That means already when I explain you the standard form of the equation, I explain you that is a x square plus bx plus c. So you will compare the equation with this a, b, c and just put the prices in the formula and solve it. So one example we will solve using the formula. Using this formula, separate formula I will use and show you. So the first example we'll see. Suppose 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Now here we will use separate formulae. So first we will find out first root, that is alpha. After the equation you have to compare the after the example you will compare the equation with all the values. So first we will write and take the value. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 7. See now in your textbook practice set 2.4, the question number 1 is with this question. It is said compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of A, B, C. This question is important because for 1 mark it can be come in the exam. So important this type of questions. So every equation when you are solving the quadratic equation, always you have to compare the equation with the standard form. That means write the value of A, B, C. And after that we will solve it. First formula we will use of alpha or first root. Formula you must write for whenever you are solving the example, you should highlight the formula and it has separate marks. Writing the given, writing formula, highlighting answer having separate marks. So you should write the formula and highlight. And then now the given is there, or we compare the equation with the standard form. Formula is there. Now put the prices in the formula. So alpha is equal to, you get minus b, that means minus 2 plus under root 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 3, c is minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 upon 2a, that means 2 multiplied by 3. Now complete the calculation. So alpha equal to, then when you will solve it or when you will calculate, see what you will get. Alpha is equal to minus 2 plus 4 Now 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12. Minus 12 multiplied by minus 7. So minus 4 multiplied by plus 3, that is minus 12. Minus 12 multiplied by minus 7. Minus minus plus 84. Upon you get here 2 3s are 6. Then alpha equal to minus 2 plus under root 4 plus 84 is equal to 88 remain upon 6. Now you can take the square root of 88. So if you don't get the square root, then you just find out the factors and see. So you will get it here minus 2 plus under root 4 multiplied by 22. 4 22s are, or 22 4s are 88 upon 6. We'll complete the example this side. Now here alpha equal to minus 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 22 upon 6. So now here you get alpha is equal to minus 2 plus the square root of 4 is 2 root 22 upon 6. Minus 2 plus 2 will take the 2 common. That means we'll get it here. Alpha equal to 2 is common. Here remain minus 1 plus root 22 upon 6. Now 2 is common, so we can divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and here you get alpha equal to only minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3. And this is the first root of the given equation. First root, that is alpha. Now we cannot go forward. This is the final answer. Minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 is the first root. Now we will find out the second root, that is beta. So to find the root of the beta or the second root, again you have to write the formula. I am showing you here. Keep in mind here your given thing and writing formula is very important. It has separate marks. Keep in mind. So you must follow this method. So minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the prices in the formula. So beta is equal to b's value is 3 minus b's value is 2 minus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a's value is 3 and c's value is minus 7. Upon 2 multiplied by 3. Same calculation, only the difference is of this minus sign. So beta is equal to 2, that is minus 2. Sorry, I did not write here minus sign. Minus 2 minus 2 square is 4 minus here minus 4 multiplied by 3 minus 12 minus 12 minus 7 is equal to plus 84 upon 2a. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 3, that means it is 6. So same calculation it is. Beta is equal to minus 2 minus under root 88 upon 6. Remaining example I will solve this side. Beta equal to minus 2 minus factors of 88, we are taking 4 multiplied by 22 upon 6. So you get beta equal to minus 2 minus square root of 4 is 2 under root 22 upon 6. Beta equal to, take 2 as a common factor, so you get here 2, inside remain minus 1 minus root 22 upon 6. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. That means beta equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 6. So this is the second root of the quadratic equation. This way we get two roots separately with separate formula. I will show you the common use of common formula. If you use the common formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then in this formula we will put the same prices. Same example I will show you with the common formula. X is equal to, b's value is minus 2, so minus 2 plus minus under root 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 7. C is equal to minus 7 upon 2 multiplied by 3. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 3s are 12 minus 12 minus 7 plus 84 upon 6. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 88 upon 6. Take the factors of 88. So x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 multiplied by 22 upon 6. Now the remaining example I will solve this side. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 is the root of 4 under root 22 upon 6. We will take the 2 as a common factor. So x is equal to 2. Here remain minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 6. Same, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So you will get x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. Then you can write the separate factors. Till here you got the common answer, common roots, and then you separate them as an answer. So you will highlight here, say answer. First answer, x is equal to -1 plus root 22 upon 3, and second answer -1 minus root 22 upon 3. So any method you can use. You can go with the common formula. If you go with the common formula, within less time you can complete the example, and if you go with the separate formula, it will take extra time. But the method is simple. Use formula, put the prices in the formula, and do the calculation. You should practice to do the calculations. You should be good in the calculation. So try to complete the exercise, question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 is only compare with the standard form of the equation, but you can complete with the formula method, so you will get more practice. Complete the exercise in your classwork notebook. Thank you.